Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Before we dive into the tutorial, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please click the red subscribe button down below and like the video. Thank you. So guys, this is the making of the placket. The first thing you need is this. So this material here, the wideness of this material is 3 by 3 inch wide. 3 inch wide, or it can even be 3.5 inch wide. It is fine. So the first thing you are going to do in the making of that thing is this. You are going to fold it over like this. You're going to fold it over. Then you are going to iron it down. After that, after you do the folding, you are going to iron it down. Iron it down, and you make sure you are with your puller so that you can use it to pull it down. Then after you iron it down, meaning fold it, iron it down, then the next thing you are going to do, you are going to fold it like this. So the main purpose of this one is to know the middle of this, the half of this length is to know the middle of it. So iron it down, then open it up again. So here is the most important thing. Please pay attention to this. You are going to fold over, hold this portion, and make sure it passes through the middle of through where you marked. That is the middle point. Then you are going to iron it down. Iron it down. Use your puller to pull it down. So then this other portion, hold it and do the same thing. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. You are going to hold it like this and do like this. I'm done with this one already, so I'm going to do the second one so that you will understand better. Here is the material. This is 3 inch or 3.5 inch wide. Each side is that way. Then the first thing, fold it over in this form. Then iron it down. Identify the middle of the material. Identification of the middle. After you identify the middle, open it up, fold it like this, and make sure that this place passes through the middle. Then after that, iron it down. So the last step is to do the same thing on this other side. So then you are going to iron it. Then I have a particular shape, or that shape which I'm looking for. So guys, you can cut as many as possible, but this is the one I have with me here. Cut as many as possible so that it will be able to satisfy you. So I'm going to show you when I'm done. So guys, in this time around, I would love to show you how to insert the designer. So here's how to do the insertion. First of all, insert this one. So after you inserted this one, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to put another one with a calculated distance in between them. So I'm going to show you carefully. I'm going to show you how it is done. Then I'm going to add another one. Make sure you align it to the middle. It should be at the middle of this one. But before that, let me show you something. The wideness of this one is 3 inches, and it can be as long as you want. It can be 15 or between 15 to 20 inch long. And then that is all for that. So for this one, this is how you keep on doing it. So keep on adding until you get your desired length. So after you added this, but note this, when you are adding it, make sure that you are sewing it. You are going to sew along this point. You are going to sew it. While you are adding, you are going to be sewing it so that it can be in a position whereby it will not move. So I'll show you guys how to sew it. So guys, this is the result I got from this, and this is how to do the stitching. You are going to stitch it along that point. If I want to do the stitching again, I'm going to add another one. Add this one, then stitch it. Then I'll show you guys when I'm done with all the stitches. So guys, I'm already done with the stitches. Hopefully you can see what I did. So the next thing I'm going to do now is the covering or the reshaping of it. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So all you need to do now, here is the material which is 5.5 inch wide. Then you are going to fold it in this one. Make sure you do the vomit. So after that, you are going to place the material on it. That is by reshaping the design. You can see. So this guy should be 2. This material here should be 2. This is the second one. So I'm going to use the second one to cover the other side of it. So this is what we are going to have. This is what I'm going to get at the end. This is what I'm going to get at the end. So the next thing we're going to do now is to sew along these parts. So along this part, and it should be the 2 sides of it. So I'm going to show you when I'm done. So guys, this is what I got at the end. This is how it looks, and the stitches. This is the final result. So the next thing I'm going to do now, this is how it looks. So the next thing I'm going to do now is the making of the placket of this out of this, and I'll show you when I'm done. So guys, this is the wrong side of it. So don't forget to cut out this excess material here. Cut out the excess material. So guys, this is the final placket. This is how the placket look like. This is how it looks. The length of this placket is 15 inch, and the width. So the width is randomly chose. I think the width is 2 inch wide. You can see. So this is how it looks. Let's take a close look at it. You can see how it looks. So guys, I'm going to show you the final result on the shirts when I'm done with the making of the shirt. I'm going to show you. Well guys, this is the final look of the placket. It's already been attached to the senator top. Let me go a little bit close and see how it looks. And this is the pocket, and this is the neck of the senator top. And see how it looks. And a little bit far away from the camera. This is how it looks. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and if you like the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much.